as contractors look for simple and fast turnaround solutions offering a permanent bond, Laticrete Prime-N-Bond is a reliable choice. This low VOC, single-component aggregate-infused primer is designed to enhance the adhesion of mortars and self-leveling underlayments to many smooth and non-absorptive substrates that can be difficult to bond to. It's available in both a 1-gallon and 3.5-gallon units. It is reusable and requires no mixing. Aggregate is infused into the product to improve mechanical grip, enabling it to be used with a wide variety of Laticrete cement-based products. As always, refer to the product data sheet for specific mixing, application, and other performance attributes. Also review TDS 230 for primer recommendations and surface preparation instructions. Begin by removing the locking strip, followed by the reusable lid. Pour the product onto the substrate and roll with a 3/8-inch nap roller. Always make sure there is an even thin film being applied to the surface, and do not leave any puddles of material. Prime-N-Bond will be tack-free once cured. Wood substrates such as plywood or OSB are acceptable as well. As always, make sure any substrate the product is applied on is clean and free from dust. Prime-N-Bond can be considered for low to no prep applications over concrete, saving time, equipment cost, and labor. Review Technical Data Sheet 230 for primer recommendations and surface preparation instructions. Eliminate the need to remove previous well-bonded applications such as a tiled floor or even epoxies. Just pour and go. Same rules apply for vertical applications where tile adhesives may be used. Always make sure there is an even film being applied to the surface. Increase your productivity on tiling applications and benefit from a large array of performance attributes. Prime-N-Bond can dry as quickly as 2 hours based on site conditions. After that, you're ready to apply any Laticrete mortar or self-leveling underlayment. Prime-N-Bond, the easy-to-use problem solver. Learn more about our products at Laticrete.com and by viewing our comprehensive Laticrete University video tutorials.